How's everybody doing today? It is October 15th, 2020. And this is an article coming out of NBC News, which is obviously mainstream media doing everything they can to continue to push this CV lie. This article here shows how much they are going to take away from you, how little you're going to be able to do without their permission, and what is going to happen if you do not follow their rules. It says Sweet 16 super spreader party in New York leads to 37 CV cases and a $12,000 fine. It says more than 3 dozen cases can be traced back to the birthday bash at the Miller Place Inn on Long Island in Suffolk County, officials said. It says an illegal Sweet 16 party outside of New York City turned into a CV super spreader event that sickened more than 3 dozen people. It says the birthday bash was held on September 25th at the Miller Place Inn on Long Island, about 65 miles east of Manhattan, and drew 81 people. Suffolk County Executive Stephen Ballone said on Tuesday. Says that party was in violation of the emergency state health codes that limit gatherings to 50 people or 50% of a room capacity, which is a smaller amount, whichever is a smaller amount. Partygoers also failed to wear masks and maintain social distance, according to Ballone. The 37 people linked to the event who tested positive consist of 28 students and 9 adults. In Suffolk County, we have not seen an event like this before, at any time through this pandemic. For Suffolk County, this was a super spreader event. I mean, listen to how they're just going to keep pushing it this way. Fear, 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 it's all still real. You know, they're losing it. They know that. The narrative is being, won by us. We are spreading enough information, and people have opened up their eyes enough when they're out and about to realize this is not what they've said. So they're going to have to push this really hard on the ones that still believe it. County health officials first learned of the party on September 30, and the venue was fined $10,000 by the state and $2,000 by the county. Christopher Regina, manager of Miller Place Inn, told NBC News New York that he didn't realize the party was breaking any laws. The venue specializes in weddings, Sweet 16, and bar and bat mitzvah parties. Says there was no clarification on the state guidelines, Regina said, adding that the venue has voluntarily closed. Yep, see, this is the whole thing. There's never any clarification. That's the whole point, is to leave it so vague, so open. Same thing they do with the symptoms and everything else, is so they can literally control you with all aspects. It says Governor Andrew Cuomo on Wednesday praised Suffolk County for its quick response and mocked the party throwers. How nice, right? It says they had a Sweet 16 party. How sweet. Yeah, it wasn't that sweet, Cuomo said. Dozens of people from the Sweet 16 party got sick. It just shows you how one event can generate so many cases. But he, Ballone, took enforcement action, so good for him. All right, we're going to stop here. Oh, these many people got sick? No. They tested positive on your faulty PCR test. So don't say that, oh, they're sick. There is non-stop positive results. We know this. Says the governor on Wednesday also took to the task the organizers of a charity concert in Long Island town of Southampton, which featured the Chainsmokers. Listen to this. They are, it's so obvious that they are locking everything down, getting everything prepared, and this will be the narrative used. We've talked about it. It's getting so bad. Viruses are up. Everything. The cases. We're in the millions. It's all a bunch of fear tactics and psychological warfare. So please don't fall for it. Continue to pray against this. Continue to share this information. Tell your family. Tell your friends. Make a plan today. Everybody stay safe. We'll talk to you soon. God bless.